What if the definition of systems thinking was simpler than we thought? Not a framework, not a diagram, just people thinking about systems. Because systems don't think, people do. Every process, every failure, every success ultimately reflects how well we understand the relationships and feedback loops within our organizations. Since people are systems, some systems do think. Exactly. If people are systems, then systems thinking really comes down to one word: awareness. The awareness to notice connections, patterns, and consequences in ourselves, our teams, and the world around us. That's where real systems thinking begins. Maybe systems thinking isn't just a methodology, it's a mindset. A deliberate way of seeing patterns, causes, and connections that others overlook. How do you apply systems thinking in your work? Like and share this video. Subscribe to Priority Problem Solvers. Watch more in our series, Systems Thinking and Thinking in Systems.